In Japanese culture, it is believed that one's wishes come true by folding 1,000 cranes, known as senbazuru. Sadako Sasaki was exposed to a Hiroshima atomic bomb at the age of 2 and developed leukemia when she was 12. She folded paper cranes while battling her illness, wishing for recovery. After she died without recovery, folding 1,000 cranes has become a symbol of peace. Today, people all over the world continue to fold cranes as a way to express their desires for a better world. Let us join together in this beautiful tradition and spread the message of peace through the art of origami. Get a sheet of origami paper or square paper. If you have a rectangular piece of paper, watch my other video and make a square first. Place color side on the back, having the corners at the top and bottom. Fold the bottom corner to the top corner. Crease the mounting fold. Unfold it. Fold the right corner to the left corner. Crease the mounting fold. Unfold it. Rotate the paper to have the edges at the top and bottom. Fold the bottom edge to the top edge. Crease the mounting fold. Unfold it. Fold the right edge to the left edge. Crease the mounting fold. Unfold it. Rotate the paper and place one of the corners towards you. The dotted lines should match the solid line in the center by bringing both right and left corners down to match the bottom corner. You need to push the dotted lines inward to match the solid line. Bring the top corner down to match it with the rest of the corners. Crease the mounting folds firmly. Fold the bottom right edge of the top layer to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold firmly. Fold the bottom left edge of the top layer to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold firmly. Fold the top triangle down and crease it. Unfold the triangle. Turn over the paper. Let's repeat the same with the other side. Fold the bottom right edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the bottom left edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the top triangle down. Unfold it. Unfold all the 4 triangles on both sides to have squares. As you lift the top layer, fold the right edge to the middle line from the top to the bottom. Crease the mounting fold. Do the same with the other side. Fold the left edge to the middle line from the top to the bottom. Let's do the other side. Turn over the paper. As you lift the bottom corner of the top paper, fold the right edge to the middle from the bottom all the way to the top. Crease the mounting fold. Let's do the same with the other side. Fold the entire left edge to the middle line. Fold the bottom right edge of the top layer to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the bottom left edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Let's do the same with the other side. Turn over the paper. Fold the bottom right side to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the bottom left side to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the right edge of the top layer to the left along the middle line. Turn over the paper. Fold the right edge of the top layer along the middle line by matching it to the left edge. Fold the bottom corner up as far as it can go. Crease the mounting fold. Flip the paper. Fold the bottom corner up as far as it can go again and crease the bottom line. Fold a small portion of the top downward to make the head. Crease the mounting fold. Pick the top layer of the right side, including the head, and fold the right edge along the middle line by matching it with the left edge. Turn over the paper. Pick the top layer of the right side and fold the right edge along the middle line by matching it with the left edge again. Fold many cranes of this form and string them together to make senbazuru. The word sen translates to 1000, but it symbolizes the idea of many cranes. In senbazuru, the wings of the cranes are not spread, giving them a unique appearance. Let's continue and spread the wings. Fold the top corner downward as far as it can go. Turn over the paper. Fold the top corner downward as far as it can go again. Let's inflate the body. Blow the air through the hole in the bottom of the body as pulling the wings outward. Pressing the top of the body a little downward may also help. Now we are done. This is how some cranes are folded. Let's make some variations. Pull the neck a little outward to make an angle. Also pull the other end a little outward to make the crane look like flying. We can make the wings curvier if we want to. Thank you for folding a crane with us today. Please teach your family members or friends how to fold paper cranes and fold many cranes together for your wish, whatever it is. Please subscribe so that we can make next origami together again. See you next time.